Hey lovebirds! Ever wondered if your dinner could spice up more than just your taste buds? Well, buckle up as I take you through the top foods that might just turn your kitchen into the hotspot for romance. First on the menu, we've got oysters. Yep, these slippery little suckers are famous for being aphrodisiacs. Why, you ask? They're packed with zinc, crucial for testosterone production, which can boost libido. So, next date night, consider oysters. And hey, if you don't like them, at least you'll have fun watching your partner trying to eat them. Moving on, let's talk about chocolate. Not only does it make you feel like you're in love, but it actually contains tryptophan and phenylethylamine, elevating serotonin and endorphin levels. Those feel-good hormones. So, sharing a bar of chocolate can lead to a lot of shared smiles, and who knows what else. Now, ever heard of watermelon being called nature's Viagra? Well, it just might be. Watermelon contains citrulline, which can relax blood vessels and boost your sex drive. It's sweet, it's juicy, and it gets the blood flowing, if you know what I mean. Let's not forget about the spicy food lovers. Yes, chili peppers can kickstart your metabolism and increase circulation, making them a steamy addition to any meal. They say a little heat in the kitchen can lead to a lot of heat elsewhere. And finally, avocados. These creamy delights are not just for your toast or guacamole. They're loaded with vitamin E, known for its role in keeping the spark alive in your, let's say, energy levels. So maybe it's time to consider an avocado salad perhaps. There you have it, 5 fabulous foods to fuel your love life. Remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the fun and connection you create with your partner. So laugh, cook, and maybe share a chili pepper or two. Thanks for tuning in, and may your meals be as spicy as your love life. Please like, subscribe, and share if this video tickled your fancy.